So testing, how do you read me? Hello everyone, if you can hear me. Okay, looks like message incoming. Very nice, I can see some viewers. So please message me, and if everything will be ready, we can start. Awaiting you. Okay, but I not understood nothing, sorry. I don't know which is the language. Hello. Yeah, hello. Welcome to my new tutorial. Very soon we will start, very soon. We will wait few minutes, few seconds more. Just a moment, I make some last checking, last setup, and we will start. As you can see, today we will try to create same picture like on my preview. So, just a moment. Few settings more and let's go. Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for watching my new tutorial. So today we will try to create some Redshift materials for a car and make some nice render. So for your information, I'm using now Redshift version 2632. This is the latest version which I found now. I pay for this Redshift version. So if you have some other one, maybe you have not so too much options, but anyway, this tutorial will be useful for you. So I use a Redshift version R20 and Cinema 4D version, yes, and I have two video adapters for my laptop. This is not new, old one. So hello everyday hero, hello. So this is my settings for my computer. What you need more. If you have any idea what is mean torrent, inside in the torrent, for example, I use this NNM Club Me. You can go inside in this torrent and find like this 3D models, HD models car volume 4321. You can download it for free from any torrent or from somewhere from internet. So it is, you see, it is very old, 2009, 2010, something like this, or you can use some other one. It really doesn't matter. So I download it and I have like these files. Inside you can find many interesting car, and today we will try to work with this Maserati GT. So I like this car and today we will play with this car. Okay, what we will do? We are going to Cinema 4D. After that we are make file and merge. Then we have to find our folder. So this is volume 4, 10, and inside you can find, if you are open it, you can find many different folders. So depend what are you using, V-Ray, Maxwell, Mental, doesn't matter, 3ds Max. So we are use Cinema 4D. For this reason I am going for FBX folder, and inside FBX I can find two, low poly and standard. So I need standard, I no need low poly. Today we will work with standard car. Open and just keep like this. I show you one more time. Maybe you have some different one, yes, because you can use some other version, but it's really doesn't matter. So just push OK. After that, wait few seconds and we have this car. As you can see, it's really nice model, looks like very interesting. So, and we have many materials, and if you are open any materials, this is standard Cinema 4D material. So, What we are doing now, if you have same version like me with Redshift or maybe just little bit previous one, I am not talking about piracy version because for sure you haven't these options. But with original Redshift you have very nice options. So I take all this material, hold Shift, select all of them, going for Create, going for Redshift, and as you can see here you can find options, conversion. So I can convert and replace selected materials. Or all materials, it doesn't matter. Just push this button and wait few seconds. So Redshift, this plugin, make convert of these materials. But anyway, it's working not so perfect, so you have to make some manual settings. For this reason, this tutorial will be very useful for you because I show you some options how to set up some materials. Okay, very nice. It is done, and if you are open again, you see it's already shader graph, it's already Redshift material. Okay, before start rendering and before start checking preview, go to render settings and set up for Redshift. Something like that. Open, and what we all doing? First of all, passes. Change for just 32, something like that. What now? Francesco Barborini. Hi, Barborini. Welcome to my tutorial. Okay, samples maximum like this, minimum 4 and nothing more. Not necessary use now any GI or something like that. Okay, now create DOM light. We are going for a DOM light, and somewhere inside in internet you can find many different HDRI maps, but I use, where is this, my folder? Yeah, somewhere here. I use this sun. Open. You can see the small picture, small preview is here. Just a moment, like this. After that we are going for render view, or you can find it's here. Open and just a moment, somewhere in tools. No. Render view, yeah, sorry, it's here. Open render view. Yeah, this is my picture which we are doing now. So first of all, I no need now any PostFX. Render and make it bucket. So we have this car, and you can, as you can see, it's not so beautiful. It's looks like not so original. Yeah. It's really very dark, so we are going for DOM light, and exposure we are increase maybe for 2 for a moment, just to see more interesting, more beautiful. Okay, something like that. So we will start work. First of all, I'm going for glass. I make it a little bit smaller just to increase a render time, something like this. Yeah, open glass. Shader graph, and what we have. Just a moment, I set up something. Okay, as you remember, this convert coming automatically, so anyway we have to use some manual settings. We are going inside in materials, and first of all, for glass I no need any color. Just disable any color. I no need it. As you can see, we have some changing, yeah? So I make some options, and here you can see what is going on. Reflection. Increase up to 1. It should be like this. Then we are going refraction. As you can see, weight it's 0.7. So first of all, we are going for maximum 1. You see, I have very nice glass. Here, link to reflection. So usually better to use it. Make something like this, and you have more or less interesting picture. So if we are increase it, something like this, we can see like this glass, and it looks like very nice. So what you will do if you like to make this glass more dark? You have 2 ways. One of them, you can reduce weight, for example, make it 0.8, something like this. You see, it's coming more dark. Or other way, you can change this color. So for example, I am going and make it little bit gray for something for 80%. Something like this. Also, it's coming little bit dark. When you can use it? For example, if you like to make, I don't know, some different colors, for example, something like a green, just little bit, you will get like this picture. Maybe you will use some tuning for this car or something like this. So for my way, I am doing today 0.9. I like to see something, but like make little bit dark. Okay, so nothing more. We are not change any more options. We are keep like this. What we are doing next? Francesca Barbarini, cool. Yeah, will be interesting tutorial for sure. Next we are going for car paint. We are make all materials one by one. Yes, I'm going for car paint. Again, if you are check my other tutorials, just a moment, I am open somewhere here. I open my channel, and if we are going down, so this car paint, this tutorial, you can check one more time. Is I showing some interesting way how to make car paint and some like a dirty spots of this car. And as I remember, yeah, somewhere here I also make some car paint. So you can check. Maybe you'll find something for you which will be very useful. Sorry for my English. Yes, English is not my native language, but anyway, I use it for you, my dear subscribers. Okay, we are going for car paint. Open, and what we can see inside car paint shader graph, I have standard material. So today I don't like use this material. Just delete it, go to materials and take car paint. Take it and apply here. So as you can see, we already have more or less interesting picture, but inside car paint we can change some settings. So first of all, I am going for pigment color and change it for gray. Maybe something like this. Okay, additionally you can use some weights, for example, make it more, make it less. Okay, I use 0.35. Then I'm going for metallic flakes and try to increase. We will see. Now will be 5. Density 0.4. I increase a little bit. Okay, 0.5. Yeah, I keep like this. So very nice. I am satisfied with this material. Now we will check it something like that. And as you can see, we already just changed glass and changed the color of a car, and we already received more or less interesting picture. More or less interesting. What next? Plastic. Black plastic. First of all, before to continuous work with this plastic, you have to find where is this black plastic. So I think it is here, black plastic. So it is all panels which is inside or outside. Inside in the plastic, I just change few options. First of all, I like to make reflection up to maximum, like this, and roughness for 0.5. So to receive like this result. What is this? Glass. I don't know. Now we will check, and we have to find where is this glass orange. Glass orange. Where is this material on my car? So just a moment, I am close it. It is here. So open and check what we have to do. First of all, again, reflection will be maximum. Refraction transmission, if I make maximum, I cannot see nothing. So no, we are make like before 0.2, or yeah, I have it. And additionally, we can make some overall, and emission color for 0.2, just little bit. Go here and make it orange, or just make something like that. Zadran Chinal, hello and welcome. Okay, you see I have little bit light, little bit. If for example I am take out DOM light, and I am good, thank you very much, I am good. Just now I find a little bit time for make this tutorial. We are going for system, for integration and default light, just disable it. And as you can see, now I have this light. I have this light and somewhere here light, but later we will go inside. So, okay, just little bit. During dark time it looks like very nice. Okay, what next? Chrome. If I'm open Chrome, as you can see, this is not looks like Chrome. I think it is here. So what is the settings for Chrome? Inside of my some other tutorial, I think it was somewhere very long time ago. Here, yes, I show you sorry, I showed you some settings for Chrome material. But one more time I repeat it. So we are going for material, going for basic properties. First of all, I don't need any color. I need full reflection. After that, I'm going for Fresnel type and change it for metalness. After, I change reflectivity for white color, something like this. And as you can see, I already have Chrome, and here it's coming. Looks like very nice. So before was like this. Just a moment, I show you one more time. Was like this, and it looks like not Chrome, yeah. But now if I'm change for metalness, I have something like that, and it looks like very nice. So okay, what next? Now we are going for glass black. So I like to find where is this glass black. Where is this glass black? Just a moment. I'm close it for a moment. Why I cannot select it? Glass black. So, as you can see, it is here. For this reason, now I know what I have to change. I'm going here and just check the settings. So open basic properties. Yes, reflection will be full. Roughness I make 0.1, just little bit. And maybe I'm keeping like this, nothing more. Maybe I make 0.2, just make it little bit like a plastic, something. Okay. So render and check again. What's the result I get? Now I'm coming closer. No, I don't like it. So we are going here and make it 0. Make it like a plastic. Okay, I keep it like this. Now it looks like more interesting. So what next? Next we are going for Chrome. Again, this is Chrome glossiness. Yes, we are check what we have here and make a same settings. No color, metalness, and white. So it will be again Chrome. Maybe for this I will use a 0.2, just make it like this, or maybe 0.4. We will see. Okay, maybe something like that. Okay, render. Check how it's working. Okay, very soon. Mirror, we are going for mirror. As I know, the mirror is here. So sometimes I received some questions that it's not so easy to make a mirror with Redshift. So there is some small trick. I show you, maybe you have some other way how to do it, but what I'm doing, I just make something similar with Chrome. So first of all, I don't need color. and I change for metalness white. And as you can see, I have mirror, which give me some very nice effect. So I can check like this. And looks like very nice. So this is mirror. What next? Now we are going for red plastic and our red plastic inside. So for this reason I am going inside in the car. Something like this. Okay, I am inside in the car. You see it's a little bit dark inside, so we are going for dome light and we are increase exposure for something like 3, just to see what is going on. Okay, this plastic, and I think here also plastic. Yes, plastic red. Yeah. So this plastic we are make like a skin. And what we are doing? First of all, we are make reflection for full. I like to receive very high reflection, but also I change a roughness for 0.5. It's give me like effect of a skin, as you can see. I don't know, in my car inside I have a skin but black color, and it looks like very similar. Additionally, I add some noise. I am going for noise, going for bump, and apply this bump for overall bump input, and noise apply like a texture. So as you can see, nothing changed. For this reason we have go to noise and put like this. Now we will see. I think a problem with size of this noise. So going for coordinates and increase maybe up to 5. Yeah, we already have some texture. Increase maybe up to 20. No, it's really very small. Maybe like this. Maybe we'll keep like this. So apply and check our result. It is really too much, so we are going for bump and change it for 0.2. 0.1. Just little bit. Okay, and maybe noise I make for 15. We will see. Something like that. Of course, you can take not noise, you can take some texture for skin and make it more beautiful, but for a moment I'm keeping like this, 0.5, just little bit reduce the noise to receive a more interesting result. So I like it. What we are doing now? Now we are going for interior, what is this? Interior dark. I think it is here. We are open and check what I have. So first of all, I like to change a color for green just to see where is this. It is here, you see. And as I understood, it also should be something like a similar for skin. For this reason, we are going here. I just make a copy of that one. Copy, going here, and paste. Apply this material to this area. And just change this red color for black color, nothing more. We will see, and now I receive a more or less interesting result. You see here I have chrome, and looks like dark plastic or skin, doesn't matter, and red. If I increase the samples now, just a moment, somewhere here, 64, and make it render for full screen, you will see, it doesn't matter, this error sometimes coming, we will see like this result. What we have, what I don't like. I don't like this bump. It is really too much, really too much. Maybe I just reduce little bit bump for 0.1. And now I change again settings. First of all, I'm going here for change Full HD. And Redshift I change for 128. And here will be 32. So check again. Render. Yeah, I forget. I'm going to this area and change this bump for 0.2. Just little bit. Render and check. Maybe now it will be a little bit better. Yes, now it's better. So here I have like a soft touch, and here I have more similar like a skin. I like it. And I think I also little bit reduce for black, also make it 0.2. Now I will wait little bit to see result for our setters. Okay, looks like very nice. Of course, if you like, you can change many options inside if you know how to make a modeling. I just make some Redshift settings, so nothing more. Okay, now I like the skin. Now it's more interesting for me. Okay, close it. Change also for black plastic. Where is my black plastic interior? Here. For 0.2. And we are keeping like this. So next will be logo. Logo, I think it's somewhere on the forward of a car. So I just open, check what I get here. Just a moment, we will go in here and we are check what we have. So I think it is our logo. Maserati. Check. So it is like this. Open logo. And little bit play with this logo. First of all, I'm going and increase roughness. Then I change for metalness. We will see what will be. Okay, it looks like more interesting, and maybe I also apply this texture for just a moment for reflectivity, and we will see. Okay, as you can see, now it looks like metal. So if I return, you can see, yes, it looks like metal, looks like very, very nice. Okay, now a little bit decrease samples, 64, sorry. Okay, I'm keeping like this. What next? Next will be this number. I think it is somewhere here. Ever motion. So if you like to put everything what you like, you are just going here, open, going for this texture. As I remember, you have to push edit. You can see it, yes. And inside in the folder, you are just make right click. You are going for open with and use for example, Paint or Photoshop, or doesn't matter. It is just a small tricks. I have here Russian language, but it is Paint, so it's really very simple, very easy. So just select, delete, make a text, put something like this. Of course, you can make some other one. So when you're done, just save it. What's the problem? Come on. It's not a save, sorry. What's the problem? Okay, done and save. Save and close. So now you can see it's here. After that, you'll go for shader graph in Cinema 4D and just make reload image. And here you can find new image. So if you render, you can see already new image. Okay, very nice, very nice. So if you have any questions or any comments, just ask me. In other way, maybe I can miss something or can lose something. So don't hesitate to ask me. Speakers. So speakers is somewhere inside. I'm not going for change it, but I like to show you some very nice idea how to change some panel. So here we have some panel. For example, now I take out dome light and render. if you use some dark scene and you have this panel, so we are open panel, going inside, and this texture with this navigational map apply also for overall emission color. Apply something like this, then go for overall and emission weight, make for example for 1, just like a checking. So now you can see you already have some display which give you some small illumination. So if it's not enough for you, you can make this emission, for example, for 10, and you can receive a nice result. You see, you already have some nice illumination only from this screen. So this is just like idea how to use it. Okay, I use only one because I'm not going inside, just to show you how it's working. So it is enough for me. So what next? Next we have glass. It is back glass somewhere here. So we are going a little bit closer, render, and check what we have. Of course I have a DOM light, so switch on again. Okay, I have it. Just open shader graph and we will see. So first of all, I like make weight up to 1 and check the difference. It is really too much. So how it was before, 0.4, this will be 1, and okay, maybe we'll keep like this. Maybe I make 0.5 just to receive little bit. Шамиль Насибов, если ты прочитал название сегодняшнего стрима, сегодня мы все будем делать в Redshift, включая Bloom, Glow и так далее. Так что дождись конца урока, ну или ближе к концу, я тебе все покажу. Все это можно делать в Redshift. Okay, we'll keep like this. That's all. Next, this Chrome, and I think it is black light, yes? Or maybe somewhere forward black light. So we are check material up to maximum, but I not understood from where it's. I not understood. So we are going tailing Chrome. Where is this? Here. It is here. Very nice. So you see, so I like to make it chrome. Just going a little bit back, open, and if it's chrome, you remember, yes, we have to make metalness and have to make white. So now will be more beautiful. Bump input we have 2, and texture we have like this. Okay, very nice. So if I'm take out again, I get like this result, and it looks like very nice. So just put inside. Okay, you see, yeah, I already have very interesting backlight. Now we can go back a little bit to red light and change it for 0.3, maybe something like this, and check again. Yeah, so I like it. I like it so much, you see. And it already looks like very interesting, yeah? Looks like very interesting. So additionally, we have this light. What is this? Tailing glass. It is here. Just open. And maybe we will play a little bit with this material, which is here, white color. So we have some bump. I don't know for what they use it, but doesn't matter, we will keep it. We are going for this, and first of all, yes, first of all, I increase up to maximum, and here I maybe little bit decrease up to 5, just to see result. Just moment. Maybe like this. No, maybe we will keep back 0.7 like was setting before. Okay. Link to reflection, yes. Wait a little bit. If I like it or not. No. We are not doing any link to reflection. Okay. Maybe here I make 0.1 just a little bit. I don't know why it's coming so long time. Maybe I just reduce little bit more and 16. Just to increase speed. For final render, of course, we are make little bit other bucket. Yeah, I keep like this, so I like it. What next? Next we are going for break. For break disk, yes, we are going somewhere here. And as you can see, just a moment, I'm render it. As you can see, we have this break disk, which is, if for example, I now take out the light, you can see some lights coming from inside, and it is really strange for me. So, first of all, I'm open this and I can see something coming for emission color. So we no need it. We no need it. We are just check and what we have. So first of all, it will be metalness. I disable this. I make it for metalness. And now I take this texture and apply this texture for reflection metalness, reflectivity. You see what I get? I get like a metal. After that, I don't need it on diffuse color. I also use it for reflection roughness. You see, I have already some kind of disk, and as for me, it's nice. We can keep like this. It's enough. So what next? Now we are going for break. What is this? Break disk, break disk, break disk. Now we try to find where is this. It is here. Just a moment. I'm just take it and check where is I have it. And what is this? So, it is here. Really, it doesn't matter. We can keep it like this without any changing. What next? Tires. Now we will see how it's working. We are going more closer for tires. Render and check what I get. And we will see if it looks like realistic or not. More or less. We are open and check what we have. Okay. So, usually I use a roughness. So weight I make a maximum and roughness I make a 0.5, for example. Like this, I will get a more interesting result. I am keeping like this for a moment. Additionally, we can apply some, you see, I have some bump with some text. Okay, additionally, we can add some texture. And inside this texture, I'm going for my folder. I just like to check if it will be good or not. I have some many textures, somewhere metal. And inside in the metal, I have scratches. Just a moment. I have to find. Maybe something like this, metal scratches. Take it. And use it together. We are going for colors. We are going for color composite. This will be one. This will be second one. No, negative, not color composite, because this already give me some. We have to make one more bump. Yes, just a moment. We are take bump blender. This will be basic. And this will be second one. Okay, here we make additive mode and blend weight up to maximum. So, apply it here and check. You see what I get, and really I don't like it. For this reason, I am going for bump input and make it 0.1 only. It's still too much. Scale. Just a moment, I like to see how it looks like without bump. Maybe I change this texture for other one. Just a moment, somewhere down it was. Maybe I change for this. Like this, you see. So little bit decrease, 15. Okay, and now play again. Okay, like this I have more interesting rubber. You see, I have some small scratches, and like before I have some bump what was here. Yes, what was here. Okay, very good. So I keep like this. So what next? Next, I don't like color of this disk. Color of this disk. I'm going here, select this disk. It is here. So I like to make it a little bit dark. For this reason, I am going for this reflectivity and change it for, I don't know, maybe 50%. You see, oh, like this, I like it. Okay, what next? We are almost finished to set up our materials for a car. It looks like very interesting. Now I will add some shadow below the car. So we are going and create some plane. Make this plane, I don't know, 1000, 4000. I need only one segments, and create one more material. Shader, material. Apply this material to this plane, and what I need. I am going here. I don't need this material. I just going for, as I remember, inside in materials, inside in the legacy. It is in your Redshift, in other, you can find somewhere in other way. Made shadow catcher. Just take it and apply. Apply it here. So what I get, like this result. We are going for settings for made shadow catcher and just enable this background is environment. Yes. As you can see, I already have some shadow downstairs. So what next? I'm going for ambient occlusion and just enable. I have more interesting way. That's all. I no need. Yeah, of course, if you need some reflection, you can go for reflection, make something like this. If you use some, I don't know, some garage or some glass, something somewhere else, but I no need it. I use a grass, so for this reason I am keeping like this. Very nice. As you can see, I already have like this result. So now I take this plane and just little bit pick up to make like this, that my car will be okay. Very good. So what we are doing now? Now we are going and check our this I'm taking. We are check our bulbs. So I no need this, just disable. As you can see here, I have some lamps. So this is glass. I no need this glass. And this I like to make this chrome glossy. So take it. As you can see, I have it somewhere on forward and also somewhere on back. Just a moment. Forward and back. Okay. Select. Make it. Hold Ctrl on your keyboard and make it copy. So this will be forward. This will be aft. This means back or forward, back, doesn't matter. Okay, take it, going for top view, going for point selection, and for aft, I no need any forward, just delete it. So will be only aft. For forward, I no need any aft, just delete it. So I have, here will be, just a moment, I'm show you one more time. Yes, here will be only forward, here will be only back without any forward. Okay, very nice. What next? Now we are apply some lights. So this material I will change. Going for create, Redshift, new material, and apply this material for forward. Okay. Now I'm going back. Now I already like to see this. I'm going here, and now we will see what I get. So, render, and check. Okay, as you can see, I have very nice forward light. We are going for this material. We are I no need any reflection. And what we will do? So first of all, I change for white color. It will be white. You see, I already have some white color. After that, I am going for overall and going for emission. Change this emission for white. After that, increase it up to 1 for a moment. And we already have some lights. So, to set up this light, you have make your scene more darkness. How to do it and what to do? We are going for dome light and exposure change for 0, like before. So we have like this, and as you can see, I already have some lights. Then we are going back to this material and increase it up to, I don't know, maybe 500. I'll get like this result. And as you can see, coming too much noise. Coming some noise, and it looks like not so beautiful. For this reason, you have different ways how to create these lights. You can check, I already showed you this tutorial, and check at my other tutorials. I showed you how to create light. But today I use some other options because I have PostFX. I have this PostFX. So I make it apply and enable. Okay, what we can do now? Now I'm going for change some samples. I make 64 for example for a moment, and I am going for GI. For global illumination I use brute force for 256. I no need more. This will be enough for me. So I keep like this. After that I am going for PostFX and I just take a bloom. You see what I get? Looks like really nice. I just check this and I already receive very interesting result. So if I move this car, I already have nice result. Look at this. Looks like very nice. Yes, I don't know. I like it. And additionally, I can check some streak. Yeah, but it's really too much. I just make a number for 2 and downstairs I make it 0 angle. It will be something like that. Okay, looks like very nice. Additionally, I can change, you see, some size of this, power, and some different options. But I keep everything without any too much settings. If you like, you can use some flare if you need it. Also, inside you can change many different options. For example, if I make something like this, car will be far away. And if this car will moving, you will get like this result. So, as for me, it's already very photorealistic. It's already very photorealistic, and don't forget that we are use only 64 samples. So, if I make less, anyway, this picture will be very nice. But somewhere I have some noise. So, for this reason, I am use 64. Now I'm going for render, and now we will check what we are get. And PostFX, now applying automatically. Yeah, like this. Look at this. I don't know. As for me, it's really very nice. Yeah, if you like to receive some light in this area, you have to use other kind of light. You have to use not emission. You have to use this light like like an area light. So now I show you one more idea how to do it. So we are take this area light, just a moment. I take this glossiness and put somewhere on top, yeah? Somewhere here. Okay, I am going for area light. I am going for, where is this will be? Not rectangle, mesh. And inside in this mesh, I just take and put this. So now I delete this material. I don't need anymore this material. And now I have settings of this light. So render again, play. You see, now I cannot see nothing. I'm going now for this light and just increase it, maybe also up to 500. You see what I get, yeah? Very nice. I can increase up to 600. And it depends from you, what you like more. You can use or something like that, or if I delete this light and apply this material, something like this. Finally, you will get same result. You will have almost same, how it's calling, same time for rendering, and it's really depend from you. So additionally, if you like to receive more realistic, you can use, I'm close again, you can use Redshift Spotlight. Just take the Spotlight. Отлично работает. Как видишь, R20 версия и последний Redshift вообще еще ни разу не вылетал. You see, here I have some illumination, you see, from the light, yeah? If I disable this area light, spotlight, I have not too much illumination and I have some noise. So for this reason, you have to use something like that and you will get more interesting result. You will get more interesting result. Just a moment, I'll a little bit pick up it to show you some idea. You see. You see how it looks like, yeah? Now I can make a copy of this headlight, so somewhere here, as I remember. Check, and look at this. I don't know. As for me, it looks like very interesting, yeah? But anyway, for this render, I am not use this. I just delete it, and I am going for backlight. So going something like that, and we have backlight. So it will be a very similar. We have to find this aft. You remember we are create somewhere aft. Just copy this light, copy paste, going inside, and change, going for overall, and change this emission for red. And apply it here. Nothing more. Wait a little bit, coming render, and look at this what we get. We already have some backlight, but for this reason I no need any flare. Just disable it. I don't need it. You see? Wait a little bit. Okay. So we already received some nice result, but I have some other lights which give me not so beautiful effect. So for this reason I take it, going for, this is additional plugin, Magic Solo, yes, it means I select only this one. After that I'm going a little bit closer, going for point, and this I delete, this I no need. Also I'm going and delete it here. Okay, very nice. Going back again solo and render. Check what I get now. What was before? What is now? Yeah, looks like very nice. Okay, so very soon, just a moment, I have to check how many times already coming my tutorial. 46 minutes. Very soon my tutorial will be finished. Just now I show you some additional settings with PostFX and how to work with this. Something like this will be with my car. We will see. Yeah, I like it. And as you can see, anyway, render coming very fast, yeah? Yeah, sometimes, depends which model you download. You can see here we have some red lights. Here some coming red light, and on the wheel I have some red light. So if I'm render, I show you a little bit closer. Just a moment, you will see the problem. And I show you now just a way how to fix it. Yeah, you see, without PostFX it looks like not realistic, yes, but PostFX make a really good job. Really, it's very nice options. As I know, Octane render have it long time ago, but for Redshift it's just now coming, and as for me, it looks like very photorealistic. Okay, we get it. So you see, here I have some lights, here I have some lights, and how to fix these problems. So first of all, I am select this and going for point selection, no, for line selection. Just take it and move little bit here. Little bit, something like this. So additionally, hey, where is my mouse? Come on. Just a moment. I think. Okay, some problem with my mouse, doesn't matter. Here we can make also similar, just select it. Just a moment. Select this. Going for points, you can move these points a little bit closer, or we can more simple way just create a plane. Take this plane for Z direction, going somewhere, no, negative, somewhere here, something like that, and make it a little bit smaller. So just hide. Make something like that and put it behind. So we are hide this area, you see. Same you can make somewhere here and you will get some result. Also additionally, I like to show you also nice photorealistic way. Area light. Take this light, turn for 90 degrees and pick up. Make it a little bit smaller. Smaller like this, then going for this view and put it somewhere here. I hope you already understood what it will be. Okay, and here. Yeah. Area light, we are change color for temperature, make it very warm and make it, I don't know, we are make it 10 for a moment and make it visible. So going for render and check what I get, how it was before and how it will be now. You see, I have some lights. No, it's 10 is really too much, so I make it 5. Okay, something like this. And it already looks like interesting car. So guys, looks like my tutorial completed. Please ask me if you have any questions. I will work a little bit with LUT. So if you have a LUT folder, just enable and LUT location. So from internet you can download many LUTs. Somewhere in internet I found this 80 LUTs color gradient crepak, something like this, and here I have some very big library of different LUTs. So I just apply it, and here you can find some few options. First of all, convert to log space before applying LUT. You can make something like this and receive some result. Is again depend what you need. Yeah, I just show you how it's going. Or you can use this apply color management before LUT, something like this. So you have different options. As for me, I like apply color management before LUT. So I make like this, yeah, and after that I have some different LUTs. As you can see, you can play and you can make some, I don't know, photorealistic picture, yeah. We will see how. Maybe this. Look at this. Why not? I like it. So we can make a bloom little bit more. And this a little bit more. Draw. Спасибо большое. Okay, very nice. So make like this and render. Yeah, before rendering, I am increase for 1 to 8, going for GI increase 5 to 1. And I think that's all. And system for bucket render, I make bigger. For my video adapters will be like this. Okay, so render and wait. This picture we received today. So, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like I told you before, yes, I have a payment Redshift if you haven't same options in your Redshift, so try to find way to buy original Redshift. Is really very useful render. Okay, look at this. It's almost completed. As for me, Maserati is really beautiful car, but it's a really very expensive car. Okay, it's rendered now post processing, and like this we are get. So I think it's really very bright. So for this reason I'm going back for render view. Just moment. I just little bit disable bloom because really it's too much bloom intensity. Come on. Okay, first of all, bloom intensity decrease and this little bit decrease. So now I think will be little bit beautiful. Something like that. Okay, so render again, check the difference, and this, like you can see, without any post-production, without any Adobe After Effects or Photoshop. So now you can get a more or less very nice picture from Redshift, directly from Redshift. Yeah, and this, as you can see, without any camera setting. So I didn't make any camera bokeh or some exposure of camera. Now also we can try it. Just a moment. You see, it's really very nice picture. Okay, looks like very nice. So this is our final render. Our tutorial completed. So thank you very much for watching. See you guys in next time. Goodbye, my friends.